shore. It was calling me aboard. And as I climbed inside, I saw you sitting there.
Falling in love with your life means learning what you love, what you desire, what you need, and putting all these things into action. It means focusing on your own goals and achieving them. Romanticizing your life allows you to embrace changes, learn new things, and helps you grow into yourself. I learned that gratitude is the best way to have inner peace despite the chaos. These little things, when appreciated, become part of the biggest picture. Life becomes simple, and it's just so easy to live each day with a beautiful and simple perspective. I remember the song "The Best Things in Life Are Free," and it's so true. Sun shines and sets every day. Rain pours when it needs to. Simple pleasures and joys, like laughter and memories, they're all free. Eating my favorite comfort food is something that I enjoy a lot. Preparing the food I love so much is also another thing. The process itself can give us enough memories to cherish, making the food more memorable. They say that our friends are the reflection of who we are. And so, by maintaining my inner peace, I choose the people that I want to be with. I'd go with positive people who can give me positive mindset, and I started cutting loose those who's really not seeing my worth. Since then, I have never been afraid to say no if I don't want to do things. Since then, I have never been afraid to say no if I don't want to do things. And I've never felt like explaining myself to someone because they want me to. The people around us can affect us in one way or another, whether we like it or not. And so it's important that we know that we can't control how they think nor how they act. Instead, what we have control of is ourselves. I started my YouTube journey last 2020, and it's been one of the achievements I unlocked since then. I thought if I'd started my channel and voice out my feelings and thoughts, it would somehow inspire and encourage others to do the same. On another note, I thought that maybe the simplicity of my lifestyle might bore others, but I just want to share it anyway. Furthermore, by documenting bits and pieces of my life, I find it very fulfilling and satisfying. I'm living my dream actually, as I get to do my job and hobby, and I get to store important events in my life all in one. As I aged, I started understanding myself even more. I'm becoming more conscious of the things I say to myself, and I become aware of the words that I use. I learned that there is no one in this world that can better understand and accept us than ourselves. Instead of saying I'm not good enough, I chose words like I can do better. Instead of others are better than me, I say my star will shine on its own time. It's too difficult for me, I say before, but now I say it's not my strength, but I will try. Personally, I don't say things just because I have to. If I feel that you have to have a piece of my mind, then I'll say things that are just enough. I don't like arguments and I'm really not a fan of confrontation. I feel like if things need to be discussed, then that's fine. But if the silence can make things better, why not? No time and energy wasted, and no feelings are being hurt. I hope that this week's vlog inspires you to become more romantic and be more appreciative of your existence. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you very soon.